Hey guys, welcome back to the shop channel. Something a little unusual today. I messed around and didn't get the first part of this video where I obtained this thing, but let me show you what we got going on. It is really hot. We have been having record temperatures here in Louisiana. And I don't remember what today is. Heat's supposed to be today, but it's in the triple digits. Anyway, look what I found. Yeah, how you like where I had it located? Right beside me. I wasn't scared of it though. A few bird droppings on it. Let me unhook it from my belt. Dumont. Imagine that. I don't know if you can see it or not. A little encrusted. I don't know the status of this tube, but I'm fixing to take it back to the back, clean it off real good, and sanitize it a little bit. Then we're going to take it into my shop and test it. But it's like a 17-inch tube, and I'm thinking it's the same one as I got in the Dumont project that I'm working on. So wouldn't that be something? That was a good tube. I have no idea. So let me turn the camera off a minute, and I'm going to tote this back there, and we'll clean it. This is my stepson's boat here. And look at all the pine cone pieces right here. They're everywhere. See them on the bottom of his boat here. They're everywhere on the ground. Come out of that pine or that pine. But when they cut like that, they're getting ready for a tough winter. So we're having a tough summer right now. So I guess what means we'll have a tough winter. But anyway, here's the CRT right here. What I'm worried about when I clean this is the aqueduct, or the coating on the outside. That's part of the capacitor of the CRT. So let me adjust the camera. So I'm going to try to be gentle with this thing. I don't know the status of this. I'll take it a bigger brush for that. Well, I really need a respirator. Just knocking some of this mess off. I don't know if this thing is gassy or exposed to the atmosphere inside. I don't know. Just knocking some of this mess off. Some of the aqueduct coating is coming off. I don't think it's a big deal because most of it's gone anyway. You know, I don't know if big a difference that'll make or not. I'm not sure. So let's go ahead and put some cleaner on it. Yeah, most of it's gone. Nothing I can do about it. A little bit of it's there. Bird crap. I don't know, like I said, I don't know if this thing's good, bad, or indifferent. It might be good, I don't know. It looks like a 17 PV4. I think that's it. It's a Teletron. It has the ion type gun assembly in it. I don't know. This come from the TV station. Sure, this is one of their video monitors. back in the day. Look at that. Yeah. I need to go get some more. Let's go ahead and clean that neck up a little bit. I just don't know. It's place your bets now. Is it going to be a good tube or is it a bad tube? It's been connected to something because there's an orange, there's a red ring around this anode here. So it's been hooked up to something. I have a feeling this thing probably ain't no good. So I need to go get another paper towel. Well, that turned out to be a miniature adventure. The location I was at outside, there was a wasp nest in the eave of the building here. Bunch of pissy-fied red wasps. Yep. Anyway, I got the tube in here, and I need to get this little bit of mud off here. Clean that up a little bit. I guess it doesn't make no difference. So, I guess that would be the 5th week of 51. It's got a 515 on it. So, pretty old pitch tube. It has no numbers on it. So I'm going to call it the same pitch tube that this guy uses. So, let me get you set up. Okay, that bugs me. It's not doing any more to it. See what I was talking about a while ago around the anode right here? It's had something on there before, so I got to make sure I clean all that out if this thing's good. Anyway, the CRT tester of choice today is going to be my 466 CRT tester, and it's going to be a 8-volt filament. Turn this to minimum, turn that to minimum, black and white. We'll set this up black and white, minimum. Power off, minimum 5 to 8 volts, and this should just plug right in. What I like about this one, this CRT tester, is compared to my my CR70 up there, my Syncor CR70 E's. All right, well, let's first off, let's turn it on. Set the filament for 6.3. See if we got any filament. Turn the lights off a minute. Thing could be just open air, I don't know. Oh yeah, see a filament. I don't know if y'all do or not. See it there? There is a filament. That's amazing. Alright, well, let's see if we got any heater to cathode leakage, which we appear to have. Not good. See if we get any G1. We got some G1 here. I forgot how to do the G1. G1 is 5, so we got to find that 5 on the display right here. So 5, we bring that G1 up right there to that little green. Just set the cutoff, be number 6. Cut off. Didn't say anything. Let's see if we got any emission. No emission. No cutoff. Something popped. I guess there's no leakage. G1 leakage, H key leakage, and G1 leakage. I don't see nothing. Or cut off. Let's see if we can get any of this right here. Turn it all the way up. Get no emission. None at all. Let's raise this heater voltage up. We got about 6 through. Let's raise it up to about 7. Bring that G1 down just a little bit. Still no cutoff. Still no emission. Make sure we ain't got just a bad connection up here, which it could be. Put a little contact cleaner on it. We'll spray it away from test equipment and everything. Keep y'all in the frame here. We'll spray it again. Doing this all one-handed, so cut me some slack. Let's try it again. Get a little action on the G1. Oh, I'm crazy. Sorry about that, guys. I meant to do this. Yeah, I don't have any emission out of this at all. Heater's still lit up. Go back down the heater voltage and turn it back down. Before I do any more pushing red buttons here, I'll play with the cutoff. I'm just going to cut the cutoff all the way up. I mean, it don't show anything. Okay, let's turn this off a minute. We'll move this out of the way and we'll get the CR70 and see what it says. Okay, got it set up. I'm going to test this thing as a 21HP4 because I don't remember what the 17 number. I think it's almost the same thing. It should be the same thing as far as settings go. So 21HP4, let's see, 6.3 and 52. So set our filament for filament for 6. Filament voltage all the way down. Cut it on. Adjust our filament to that little red line right there where it says filament voltage, right there. All right, let's see if it's lighting up. Yes, we do have a light. All right. Heater to the cathode shorts shows good. G1 short shows good. Let's adjust the cutoff wherever it is. No cutoff, of course. Let's go to emission. I mean, it is dead. Just dead too. Try the bias. No, it's just dead. It is dead, dead, dead. So let's just do a redo. Yeah, that coaxed a little bit out of it. Let's bring the filament voltage up just a little bit. Bring it up to 7 volts. See what that does to the emission. Gives it a little bit. Okay, let's bring the emission back down. Well, you know what? Okay. We just did an auto restore. You got a little bit out of it. Cut off just barely. Let's go back down to filament set. Bring it up to about 7 volts. No, I guess see if we did this right. Cutoff bad, emission bad. Cathode beam building procedure auto cycle. Auto restore function. Set individual gun set up to the weak gun for the mission to hold redo till the current cycle 3 times as indicated on the meter. So let's go back over here and do one, 2, 3. Okay. It brought it up a little bit. I don't know how long that'll last. just turned the filament voltage down just a little bit. I mean, the cutoff is barely doing anything. It's more than it was. It's not a very good tube. Well, kind of figured that after seeing this right here a while ago. That means it was in service. I think they just put it out there where I found this to die. Yeah, pretty weak too. Decided after we did the CR70 the Syncor on there and done this thing, put it back on the 466 to see what it has to say. So anyway, I've got it set up. I got the heater voltage adjusted to 6.3 volts. Got everything else adjusted like it should. So the emission, a lot better than it was, that's for sure. So I'm just trying to decide if I want to just let this thing run. I don't know if it hurt anything. Just let it run a little while, I guess. But live test, just I turn that down just a little bit. Heater voltage, I mean the heat. They both correlate. It's still showing a very weak tube. But like Shango says, tester's one thing, real life the other. So I'm going to probably hang on to this tube. I want to measure to make sure. I think these are the same tubes. I honestly do. I think this is a 17. That one's a 17. I think these are the same tubes. This is getting a little better as it runs. I'm just going to let it run. So anyway, I guess this will make a nice little Saturday short. So anyway, I ain't gonna edit this one out, but anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I was supposed to have some Mouser parts today for the Dumont, and I ordered them the day before yesterday. They said they'd be in today. Now this is from Mouser. I'm in Louisiana, and Mouser's in Dallas, and it said they're supposed to be in today. Well, I looked on the tracking for today, and it said next Tuesday. This is UPS. That really aggravated me. But anyway, letting the CRT cook. It's about middle line now, so it might turn out to be halfway decent CRT. I don't know. If we can get the other one, get that TV working down there, we might try it on. We might try this tube on it, see how it likes it. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you hadn't done it already. All right, bye bye.